Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if your Squarespace emails aren't sending, whether it's contact form, messages, order emails or even just notifications, don't really worry because in today's small tutorial, we're gonna see how to fix the email not sending and all of this type of issues fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, before even going through Squarespace, check your email address. Go to your email, check every part of your inbox, including the spam section and all of the other sections that you don't use usually. As for now, you're gonna go to Squarespace, look for Squarespace in your favorite browser, go to the login, use your email address and password, then go to these settings and look if your email is this same one used to log in and you use for email campaigns, all of this. So after checking the spam folders and all of this, verify the form storage by going to pages, click the form, look for storage and check if submissions are being saved. Then confirm the email provider isn't blocking any emails. I'm talking here about Gmail, Outlook or even custom domains may block the automated emails. Then reconnect your email account. If you are using any Gmail or Outlook, just reconnect the email integration, then check the basically domain settings by going to settings here, see domain and email. Make sure you basically look for the domain here, then look for your email, make sure everything is looking good, then send a test submission. Submit the form again to confirm emails are fully sent in. And that's basically it. If you still have some problems, you can see with the support, send them messages, screenshots, and they're gonna help you in no time. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.